Welcome to California. How good? I made it. This is going to be epic. Starting here, San Francisco. We're going to make my way through 5 different counties. This is going to be one hell of a road trip. I've always found when traveling internationally, the best thing is to hit the ground running, or in this case, paddling. So, I'm out here in Tamales Bay with Quentin. It's gonna take me for a paddle around. Let's do it, bro. Welcome to Mammoth Lakes in the famous Sierra Nevada mountain range. This is an all year round adventure playground, and today I'm hanging out with a local legend, Pat.
Welcome to California.
And a buddy of mine, Abe Kislevitz from GoPro, and we're going mountain biking. It's not every day that you get to come to America and hang out with GoPro legend. The one, the only, Abe Kislevitz, everyone.
I got a backpack full of mounts. Mr. Bear Kiwi over here.
So what we're going to do is, Abe's got this bit of a unique idea, and we're going to utilize the GoPro Max 360 camera.
I'm going to go ahead and make sure his lenses are clean, because they're not.
Yeah, that's great, man.
Up to step up and then roll up the middle of the wall. Just to get like a taste of it. We're good. We are at Hilltop Hot Spring in Mammoth Lakes. Great way to start a day.
Pat's taking me on a bunch of different hikes, and it is definitely going to be one of those days I feel like that's just going to disappear on me. So it's cut to one of those fancy montages. See you, bro. Thanks, mate.
Anytime.
Well, that brings my time in Mammoth Lakes to an end. What a place. Oh my God, I have found the best seat in the house. I'm gonna watch sunset up here and chill. What a spot. We're only halfway through. Next stop, Dorado County. Going whitewater rafting. I just thought I'd show you guys now the reality of what happens when I get to a hotel. Charging batteries. Like a tea or a coffee, pull all the SD cards, download the footage, more caffeine, back up the footage, charge more batteries, finally reply to all of Lisa's messages from today. You hang up. More caffeine. Now I gotta pack and get everything ready because I got a 4 AM start tomorrow morning. Heading off to shoot sunrise at Mammoth Lake, and I love this. I'm just about half an hour down the road from the Mammoth Lakes village. I managed to make it here for sunrise. This place is incredible. Amazing, look at that. GoPro, stop recording. Welcome to Dorado County. This is gold country, and today we're going rafting on the American River with oars.
Welcome to California!
Is day 2 whitewater rafting, and we are on the middle fork of the American today. Stayed at camp last night and they've shipped us up to another part of the river here. So this is gonna be awesome. Today is the big day. I hear this is grade 4 or 5. Yeah, pretty excited. I'm actually fizzing for this. Next stop, Morgan Hill. All right. Look at this. A couple of suction cups here. I'm gonna mount them in different spots around the car. We'll just drive up and down the road filming for a little bit. Have fun, enjoy the ride. I love this spot. Oh, California, you're beautiful. That? Does that look cool? Is Morgan Hill. Love it! There you go. Welcome to Monterey Bay. We're gonna go see the famous Big Sur coastline from the air. That is my North California road trip. What an absolute journey. 5 amazing counties I've explored. And I'm finishing it off here in Monterey Bay, cruise along the Big Sur coast. I'm gonna make my way now to San Francisco and I fly out this evening. Wow, thank you California. What a trip. Absolutely amazing. I'm coming back. I gotta come back. This is so good. Look at this place.